Alright, gonna do another deep penetration test. These are just some regular extreme arrowhead broadheads, fixed as you can see. Zoom in for you. Right there, these are 100 grain. And we're gonna just see how they do on the clay, how deep they go in. Deep penetration, shooting at 15 yards. Alright, 15 yards, doing a deep penetration, the extreme arrowheads with the 4 extra putters on it, fixed blade, 100 grain, going through a Jackal, 15 yards. Alright, there we go, 100 grains, extreme arrowhead. That's got now 6 cutting edges on it. Let's see that. Just a little FYI on the archery depth measurement apparatus. Just to let y'all know, this thing will, if you build one of those rails, that this will actually slide into it. That's if you go to the Walmart in the hobby and craft section. There's one of those little wooden crates. And also, if you look, that's where you will find this clay, which is extremely expensive, which I looked on Amazon, and it's no difference in price, so it doesn't matter. So there you go. And the flour is all purpose. See? Exactly. You can cook with it and you can shoot it. That's why it says all purpose. But an idea, this is going to be a bitch of a booger to pull out. Alright. So here we go. Deep penetration. Going through. I'm just going to see if I can actually tell you what. And there we are. Now we take our official rusty tape measure, set it down like so. I hope y'all can see that. Okay, there we go. And now remove my finger. And honest, I'm not going to cheat. Right about there. So we are at 5.5 inches. 5.5 inches on the 6-edge cutting device. Going in 100 grain. And earlier did the hyper strikes, which went in at 6 inches. And our control is 9 inches. So 5.5. Shooting in the clay. There you go. Thanks for watching.